Hey guys, this is Matt and this is the video of my experience with the Lenovo IdeaPad 510. This laptop is a unique gadget in my tech arsenal because it's the dumbest purchase and the most amateur mistake I've done in the past year. I'll tell you the why after this intro. And with that being said, let's get started. So what's the thing with this laptop? So when I was searching for a laptop at the price of 60k like 9 months ago, after doing the regular research, and I came to a point where this laptop might be the right choice for the specific budget. So I went on to buy the laptop. For the first few weeks I was happy and I thought I did a great job buying this laptop, and that's when Flipkart Big Billion Day sale kicks in and they're throwing in offers on laptop which we never seen before. For example, take the Asus Helios 300 series. They were selling at 60% off and that is 60k. It was one of the saddest moments in my life. If I waited for just a few more weeks, I would have got the Helios 300 and my editing workflow would have been much greater. Let's keep this bullshit aside. The past is past, it's over. The real question is how it's holding up right now. The most time I spend with this laptop is while editing, with casual gaming and watching some episodes of TV shows. And that's it. Now you know that this is my editing rig. I use Premiere Pro CC for all my edits. It runs decent and mainly thanks to Premiere Pro, it's made to run on any PC configurations. Don't believe me? My first 50 videos or so are edited on a first gen Core i3 processor. So I keep my playback settings to half or called 1/2, and in these settings it's quite smooth. The real problem is when I start to put effects and color grading on the footage, it starts to drop frames, not significantly but you can notice it. And the battery life while editing is madness in a bad way. I get about an hour and a half. Same applies to gaming and other heavy tasks, so if you are looking for a laptop to edit on the go, stay away from this. I'm being a bit too harsh on this from start, so let's talk about some good things about this laptop. The display, it's a Full HD IPS panel, and at this price, you mostly see only 720p displays with horrible viewing angles, but this is a far cry from something. The only letdown is the brightness level. It's good indoors, but when it comes to outdoors, it starts to disappoint me. The matte finish on the display might be the culprit behind this, but it reduces the reflection quite a lot. And the speakers are really good too. They are tuned by Armand Kardon, one of the biggest names in the music industry. Let's play games. As you can see, I'm not a hardcore gamer. Heck, I hardly play games. Everything I say here, take that with a pinch of salt. So I get about 40 frames per second while playing Rocket League on medium settings, and Counter Strike, I get about 40 to 45 frames per second on 900p. Well, the conclusion is, it served me well for the time being, but I don't see it to be keeping the same shift in the future. So I may or may not upgrade to a new one. That mainly depends if I got any more money left. I know there are a lot of things that I didn't talk about because I didn't use this laptop for many different tasks to talk about. Mainly I did video and photo editing, so don't ever consider this as a review. If you take this as a review, then that's on you. That's a wrap, and subscribe to the channel if you play Fortnite. In that way I could get 1 million subscribers overnight, and I will see you in my next video. Stay awesome.